Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of I Don't Know His Majesty is a Girl, chapter 51. So here it is. Let's read the story. Dr. Xinyan. Oh, she really dressed well. She looks really gorgeous. When the little queens see her dressed like that, she was calling Xinyan. She looks really sophisticated, especially that accent. The night lamp that she's been holding. The little queen right now. She seems to be surprised. She can't believe that Xinyan was there, especially dressed well for her. It was getting late, but suddenly, the little queen feels so uneasy. Looking to the right, looking to the west, there's a person other than from them. Well, the little queen closed the door. What if someone sees me? Little Queen said. Although the palace is not densely related as the palace, it is full of people, talkative people. Well, right now, Little Queen, she don't want to see them. Especially she don't want others to gossip about them. Xinyan said to her, don't be afraid. Well, for now, Xinyan, she want to assure her, have retreated to the left and right. Tonight, there are only you and me in the bedroom. Well, now, Xinyan, she's trying to coax her. Seeing her like that, Little Queen seems to be afraid. Also, she was staring at the little lamp Xinyan is holding right now. Well, she really got curious. Isn't there a light in the bedroom? What are you doing with the lantern? You want to go out later? Right now, Xinyan, you can't speak right, said Probably she want to surprise her. Don't they all say that when you look at the beauties under the lamp, the more you look at them, the better they look? Oh, right now, she's trying to be sweet. The little queen right now, she really can't speak. Especially ordered someone to do it. But why is different from what I expected? Xinyan said to herself. Now, both of them are being confused. Especially the little queen right now. She's trying to pick the lantern that Xian was holding. Well, for now, what will Xian's gonna do? Indeed, she was really the pretty empress. Especially her dress really matched well on the lantern. Xinyan, just like a goddess in the palace. Right now, the little queen seems to be surprised and she really can't restrain herself. Be angry, Yuding. Obviously been watching for so long. You done all the most intimate things, so why are you still blushing and heart thumping? Now, the little queen, she was really surprised, but she was also shy. When Xian moved closer to her, her ears are so red. Xinyan, she want to tease her. Right now, the little queen, her face is also very hot. Thinking about something and shouldn't be thinking about. Now Xinyan, she really teased her so much, knows that the little queen is also blushing. Right now she can help it herself, but to tease her more. I didn't. I'm just not used to it, seeing you like this. Little queen is trying not to embarrass herself towards Xinyan. But Xinyan, she really knows her well. That's why she continued to tease her. Doesn't it look good? Now Xinyan, starting to ask her, her appearance is really looking good. Right now, Xinyan, the fast, you would still pester me, use various reasons to lure me, and only force on taking me to bed. Right now, the little queen, she got really shy. She know that Xinyan is a girl. Right now, the little queen seems to be surprised again. She is not answering her. She was only looking at Xinyan. Probably she was thinking how to answer Xinyan on this moment. Well, for now, Little Queen has an idea. Majesty, is this honey trap? Now, Xinyan said to her, yes. Probably she want to coax her. That's why right now, said so many sweet things over the Little Queen itself. But I don't know if the queen is willing to fall in love in the trap. It's enough to make me happy, but if you want to forgive your majesty has to work harder. Now, Xinian, she really needs to work hard in coaxing the little queen. Little queen said to her, need to work it out. That's why right now, Xinian, she need to do everything to make the little queens happy. It would be too spineless for me to seduce so easily. How long is the right time for me to resist? Will one stick of incense last? Otherwise, just push and pull. Let the nature take its courses. Right now, after saying this to herself, the little queen seems to be embarrassed. The way she thinks is more, she applies the rules. Right now, she was really shy. Phew, I just taking something. But the queen's face was getting redder and redder. Now, she really tries to coax her. Xinian, she was really pushy towards her. The little queen seems to embarrassed. What is this? His Majesty's letter, love letter, or a letter of apology? I won't be coaxed so easily, the little queen said to Xinian. But the little queen right now seems to be embarrassed. She looks really serious. Now, she really got worried. If her restrainment is gonna last for long. Right now, she should really also need to work off so she can able to resist her. What do you? How could you write down these things? Right now, the little queen seems to be upset on what Xinian's write on the paper. It's almost burning. Can't write anymore. The little queen wants to go out alone. She wants to go out rashly. But Xinian, of course, she will never allow her to go out. I wrote this letter in private. Even Alan didn't know. Right now, Xinian, is she really trying to be sweeter than her? I'm not smart person. I can think of better way to make peace. I can only leave my handle, the secrets in your hands. Well, right now, Xinian, she really working hard, trying to coax the little queen. It is obviously just 2 pages of thin letter paper, but it weighs thousands of kilograms. The little queen right now, she really value on the letter she made for her. That's why right now, she looks really agitated. What she handed over was nothing but handles, secrets. She handed over her sincere heart to me. Well, it was right. That's why it's only the peace. Xinian wants to try to calm her, telling her all her secrets. If I treat you badly, you can tell the world that I am the daughter. Well, Xinian is trying to be a tough girl. Being criticized and rebuilt by the courtiers and the people of the world is the price I pay for you. Now, Xinian, it's like this is her cheap bargain towards the little queen. So in future, will never betray the little queen. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!